Good morning student. Today we continue derivative of implicit function. There are some remaining examples from exercise 1.3. So our first example is if log of x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 upon x raised to 4 minus y raised to 4 base phi is equal to 2, then we have to show that dy by dx is equal to 12x cube upon 13y cube. So first, what is given? So right here, given. Log phi now we know that the rules of logarithm using log phi log a base b is equal to m, then this implies that a is equal to b raised to m. But this base b goes to like that. So using this, our given expression is x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 upon x raised to 4 minus y raised to 4 is equal to 5 raised to 2. Now here phi square is 25, so therefore x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 upon x raised to 4 minus y raised to 4 is equal to 25. Now multiply this term into 25. So we get x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 is equal to 25 into x raised to 4 minus y raised to 4. Therefore, write LHS side as it is. Now, we have to multiply 25 into this bracket. So, first 25 into x raised to 4, then 25 into y raised to 4. Therefore, 25 x raised to 4 minus 25 y raised to 4. Now collect the term of y and collect the term of x. Therefore, this x raised to 4 goes to this side and this 25 y raised to 4 goes to LHS side. Therefore, y raised to 4 plus 25 y raised to 4 is equal to 25 x raised to 4. This plus become minus x raised to 4. Now add this 25 plus y raised to 4. You can take y raised to 4 common or you can directly add. Suppose take y raised to 4 common. Here also x raised to 4 common. So 25 minus 1 x raised to 4. Now it is 26 y raised to 4 and here is 24 x raised to 4. Now it is very easy to differentiate. So differentiate with respect to x. We get 26 is a constant, write it as it is, and derivative of y raised to 4. So you can write d by dx of y raised to 4. Here also 24 constant, take outside of derivative of x raised to 4. You can use here rules d by dx of kx, which is equal to k into derivative of x. So using this rule, you can write it as, now differentiate derivative of y raised to 4 with respect to x is 4y cube. But y raised to 4 is composite function. So here take dy upon dx. Now next 24 and derivative of x raised to 4 is 4x cube. There is no need to multiply, so you can only 26 into 4y cube into dy by dx is equal to 24 into 4x cube. Now we want only dy by dx, so this term goes on RHS side. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 24 into 4x cube upon 26 into 4y cube. Now cancelling the terms, 4 get cancelled, and here is 12 upon 13. So our answer is dy by dx is equal to 12x cube upon 13y cube. Make it bracket, which we have to prove. Hence prove. Now next example is, if e raised to x plus e raised to y is equal to e raised to x plus y, then we have to show that dy by dx is equal to minus e raised to y minus x. So first write given. What is given? E raised to x plus e raised to y is equal to e raised to x plus y. Give it first, because we have to use it. Now you can differentiate directly, or you can take log here. Both are easy method. So here I am differentiate directly. Differentiate with respect to x. We get. So taking differentiation, d by dx of e raised to x plus e raised to y is equal to d by dx of e raised to x plus y. Here is sum, so apply sum rule. Therefore d by dx of e raised to x plus d by dx of e raised to y is equal to, we know that derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, so it is e raised to x as it is, but it is composite function, so we have take derivative of it also. So derivative of x plus y. Therefore derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x as it is. Derivative of e raised to y with respect to x is e raised to y, but with respect to x, x is independent and y is dependent. That's why derivative of it is dy by dx is equal to e raised to x plus y as it is, and derivative of x is d by dx of x plus d by dx of y. Because it is sum, so apply sum rule here. Now write RHS side as it is. Therefore e raised to x plus e raised to y dy by dx as it is equal to e raised to x plus y. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus dy by dx. Now here LHS as it is. Now multiply this e raised to x plus y, first 1 and then this dy by dx. So we get e raised to x plus y into 1 is as it is e raised to x plus y, plus this multiply into this is as it is e raised to x plus y dy by dx. Now collecting the terms of dy by dx, which is this. So collect on LHS side and remaining terms transfer to RHS side. Therefore e raised to y dy by dx minus e raised to x plus y dy by dx. When this term in RHS side goes to LHS side, it will become minus. So same here, e raised to x plus y as it is and this term e raised to x goes to RHS side, so it will become minus. Now take dy by dx common, so we get e raised to y minus e raised to x plus y into dy by dx is equal to, write it as it is. Now this term goes to RHS side, therefore dy by dx is equal to e raised to x plus y minus e raised to x upon e raised to y minus e raised to x plus y. Now using first, so what is equation first? E raised to x plus e raised to y is equal to e raised to x plus y. So use it. So right here e raised to x plus e raised to y minus e raised to x upon e raised to y as it is minus sign as it is, and value of e raised to x plus y is e raised to x plus e raised to y by using equation first. Right here reason also. Now e raised to x minus e raised to x get cancelled upon e raised to y upon e raised to y minus, open this bracket, so it will become minus e raised to x and minus e raised to y. So only e raised to y upon e raised to y minus e raised to y get cancelled, remaining minus e raised to x. So it can be write as minus e raised to y into e raised to minus x. With the using laws of indices, what is the rule? 1 upon a raised to m is equal to a raised to minus m. This is the rule. So this rule is used here. Now using laws of indices, minus e raised to y minus x, which we have to show that. The rule of laws of indices is a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Hence we have dy by dx is equal to minus e raised to y minus x, which we have to prove. Hence now next example is, if x raised to y is equal to e raised to x minus y, then we have to show that dy by dx is equal to log x upon 1 plus log x whole square. So first write what is given. Given x raised to y is equal to e raised to x minus y. Here we cannot differentiate it directly because it is the form of variable raised to variable. So use here logarithmic differentiation. So first take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. We get, therefore log x raised to y is equal to log e raised to x minus y. Now use logarithm rules of logarithms. What is rules? Log of a raised to b is equal to b log a. So using this rule, y becomes here y log x is equal to x minus y into log e. But we know that the value of log e is 1. Right here reason, value of log e is 1. So here y log x is equal to x minus y into 1. Therefore y log x is equal to x minus y. Now it is very easy to differentiate. So differentiate with respect to x. we get therefore d by dx of y log x is equal to d by dx of x minus y. Now it is product, so use here product rule. First write y as it is, derivative of log x plus log x as it is, derivative of y is equal to, it is, so use here sum rule, derivative of x minus derivative of y. So y as it is, derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x as it is into dy by dx, derivative of y with respect to x. Next derivative of x with respect to x is 1 minus derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. So it is y upon x plus log x into dy by dx, so is equal to 1 minus dy by dx. Now collecting the terms of dy by dx, so this y upon x transfer this side, therefore here log x dy by dx, this term goes to here, so it will become plus dy by dx is equal to 1 minus y upon x. Now take dy by dx common, so here remaining log x plus 1, here dy by dx is equal to 1 minus y upon x. Therefore log x plus 1 as it is, dy by dx. Now cross multiply, so it is x minus y upon x. Therefore it is multiply term, so it goes to RHS, then it will become divide term. Therefore dy by dx is equal to x minus y upon x, and here it is log x plus 1. Now here in our equation, the term y log x equal to x minus y, give it equation first. Now using first, give to using first y log x is equal to x minus y. So take y on this side, therefore y log x plus y is equal to x. Now take y common, therefore y log x plus 1 is equal to x. Now put this value of x into this equation 2. We get from equation 2, dy by dx is equal to, value of x is y log x plus 1 minus y upon y log x plus 1, and here it is log x plus 1. Now multiply this y into this bracket, so we get dy by dx is equal to y into log x plus y minus y upon upon y into log x plus 1 log x plus 1 log x plus 1 whole square. This plus y, this minus y get cancelled. So remaining terms are dy by dx is equal to y log x upon y log x plus 1 whole square. Now this y become cancelled, so we get dy by dx is equal to log x upon log x plus 1 whole square. But we want 1 plus log x whole square, so therefore dy by dx is equal to log x upon 1 plus log x whole square. Make it bracket. Hence we have to prove, so hence prove. Now next example is, if y is equal to under root of cos x plus under root of cos x plus under root of cos x plus up to so on infinity, then we have to show that dy by dx is equal to sin x upon 1 minus. So first write given. So given y is equal to under root of cos x plus under root of cos x plus under root of cos x plus up to so on infinity. So first on squaring, it is square root, so first squaring it, on squaring we get when you square, then its square root become cancel and it will become y square. So we get cos x plus under root of cos x plus under root of cos x plus under root of cos x plus up to so on infinity. So you can observe it, it is the value of y. So put it in equation, therefore y square is equal to cos x plus y. Now take y on RHS side, so y square minus y is equal to cos x. Now differentiate with respect to x, so differentiate with respect to x, d by dx of y square minus y is equal to d by dx of cos x. Now apply sum rule, d by dx of y square minus d by dx of y, and we know that derivative of cos x with respect to x is minus sin x. So derivative of y square is 2y, and it is not a it is dependent function of x, so dy by dx, and here is minus dy by dx is equal to minus sin x. Now take dy by dx common. After taking common we get 2y minus 1 dy by dx is equal to minus sin x. So dy by dx is equal to minus sin x upon 2y minus 1. But we want 1 minus 2y, so take common minus 1. this minus sin x, and there is minus common, so it will become change 1 minus 2y. This minus minus get plus, so we get dy by dx is equal to sin x upon 1 minus 2y. Make it bracket. This is we have to prove, so right here hence prove. So there is some practice problems from exercise 1.3 which you have to solve. First example, if log x plus y is equal to log x into y plus p, where p is a constant, then you have to prove that dy by dx is equal to minus y square upon x square. Next, second example, if log of x cube minus y cube upon x cube plus y cube base 10 is equal to 2, then you have to prove that dy by dx is equal to minus 99x square upon 101 y square. Third example, if y is equal to under root of log x plus under root of log x plus under root of log x up to infinity, then show that dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x into 2y minus 1. And fourth example is, if y is equal to x raised to x raised to x raised to up to infinity, then show that dy by dx is equal to y square upon x into 1 minus log y. These are your homework. Try to solve it. And if any doubt, then you can contact me. So, thank you students.